I've been putting in work for years, and I'm glad that we're building a community over here. This ain't just for me, it's for y'all too. Appreciate y'all. Set 9. Only 2 more sets left. Let's work, y'all. Come on. Ah, 12. We need 3 more. They feel good. They feel good. Feeling good. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's get back on the ball. Let's get it. Ah. Ah. We got Navy SEAL, Navy SEAL. Navy SEAL push-ups, they get them abs in. Ah. Lunges. Let's get it. Come on. Let's get it. Ah. One more set. One more set. The one-on-one is serious. Yes, it is. The one-on-one is serious, but it'll get you where you need to be. Sometimes people don't understand. Yeah, all right, give me yours, man. Give me your email. Shoot me your email, boss. Cause I'm gonna email you as soon as I'm done. We'll talk, BP. We'll talk. But the one-on-one is serious because people don't understand the limitations that they set on themselves. Me as a trainer, I can watch you and I can see that you can push yourself further. When you have a coach pushing you, it takes you to different realms that you didn't know that you could be able to get to. I know how to watch a person while I'm training and see if they have 2 more in them or we should have stopped two reps ago. I can tell you can't fake the funk. Once I train with you, I can see where you need to push yourself. And when you're crying, you act like you're in pain. You're not really in pain. You can give me a few more. Let me ask you, though, to get the shredded and weighted for mass. Hold on. Let me ask you this, though. You get more shredded with your calisthenics and weighted calisthenics for mass? Yes, it's 3 levels of my mass.